Hello everybody, welcome to another day of class. Today in our science class, remember that we are talking about nutrition, about health, about the importance of taking care of our bodies. So, what you are going to do today is a very easy job. Your homework today is very easy. The activity is that you're going to write a chart and you're going to write on the chart what you were eating during the week. Today is Wednesday, August 26, 2020, and the information we have it on page 78, the information that is related to nutrition. As you remember, nutrition is the base to grow up healthy. So remember that we were talking about the types of food that we should eat in order to get the necessary nutrients to our body. What you're going to do right now is the next part. Here I have one square. What you're going to do with this chart is that you're going to copy the same in your notebook. You're going to copy this chart in your notebook. These charts have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 5 days of the week. What are you going to do? You're going to write the 5 days of the week. And here I have names of some foods. For example, on Monday, I ate an apple in the morning as breakfast. Then, as lunch, I had fried chicken. And in the dinner, I ate salad, one green salad. So, what you are going to write is what you ate on Monday. Then on Tuesday, I ate in the mornings cookies with milk. Then, in my lunch, I ate French fries. And in my dinner, I just ate arrachera. So, do you think this one is healthy or unhealthy? Here, everything is okay because there were healthy things. So, I'm going to place a check mark. But if the things that I ate during the week were unhealthy, I'm going to put a wrong mark. Because ranchita, cookies with milk, and French fries are not healthy food. So that's why I'm going to mark with a wrong mark. So that's basically what you have to do. You're going to copy the same in your notebook, but with the information about your own food. That was everything for today's science class. I hope that you are eating healthy at home. Please take care. Keep inside your house. At least you're going to have something really extremely important to do. Please keep safe. I'm sending blessings from the Lord, hugs and kisses, and just my best wishes for you and yours.